Mobile app quality. So quality is all about the satisfaction, user satisfaction. So Andrew suggested end user satisfaction with the mobile app, and this is dictated by 6 important quality factors. What are these? Functionality, reliability, the usability, the efficiency, and maintainability. Finally, the portability. So these are 6 important quality factors. Each of them we have already discussed, and they apply in the similar way to your mobile apps also. On the right side you see these are mobile app service quality, interaction quality, environment quality, and outcome quality. And these come, for example, environment quality comes from design and performance. So whenever we are checking the quality, there are certain things as a software engineer you need to assess. Can content and function and navigation options be tailored to the specific user preferences? Can content or functionality be customized to the bandwidth? Because bandwidth will always be an issue. If the signal is weak or lost, what are you going to do? The content, function, navigation. Is this context aware? That is, does it work according to user preferences? Has adequate consideration has been given to the power availability? Because battery is always an issue. Have graphics, media, and other web or cloud services has been used appropriately and efficiently? And is the overall page design easy to read and navigate? Because the screen size will be different. So it has to be adaptable. It needs to be adaptable. Your screen and your content. According to content, the screen. So does the user interface conform to the display and interaction as standard? Because different targeted mobile devices, they have different standards. Does the app conform to the reliability, security, and privacy expectation of its users? Because this is very important. Reliability is an issue, and security, privacy, especially for the women. What provision have been made to ensure an app remains current? Is it for today, or it has already been built by someone already there? So there will be no business usefulness for it. Has the mobile app been tested in all targeted user environment and for all targeted devices? Because if it works on one and not work on another, the software will fail. The app will fail.